Hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for support. Today I'm showing you how to do a 3-layer mask. After doing a lot of research, I found that a 3-layer mask is very efficient. I am using what you see here is a 100% cotton piece of fabric I got from Joann a while ago. I'm not giving any kind of measurements because this is not a template. This is basically something that's for me and what I want covered on my face. So I don't have a template, but this is something you can just look at when you do find a template and follow the same steps with whatever template that you have. This blue material is a polyfiber, and this is a great filter to have behind a piece of fabric that is not close knit. And the fabric, the cotton one I have in the front, it is not really close knit. It is very breathable, so I needed to have a water slash tight knit material behind the first layer, which makes the 3-layer mask more efficient. Now the third layer is a cotton blend. It is very flexible, movable. I believe it's a cotton blend if I'm not mistaken. And from the third layer, the one that's going to be on your face needs to be highly breathable. So this is why I'm using this in the back, which will be upon my mouth when I am out and about in the streets, so that this can also be a sort of protection. Now with making this mask, you can make it where you have a pocket, which you do not just, you just leave the sides open, or you will have to, close them up, and you'll see more when we watch more of the video of the 2 different ways you can do this mask. It's not hard at all. It's very simple. You just skip a step to make a pocket and do an extra step if you want to not have a pocket. So because you are using heat and bond, you will have to separate the sections and you will have to connect them individually, versus if you have a sewing machine or you like the hand stitch, you can just keep them all 3 together and stitch them right on up. Everybody don't like to sew. Everybody don't have anything to sew with, may not even have heat and bond, but they may have glue, may have some type of fabric glue or something like that. So this is why I'm showing another way in case people do not have a lot of materials to make a mask, the numerous ways I'm seeing them. And you would just have to connect each piece one by one using heat with the heat and bond, making sure to remember how you are placing them on. You just have to have the cotton part on one side and the one's going to be on your mouth on the other side of the actual one that's going to be the filter in the middle. Now I am going to be outlining my mask with some black ribbon from Dollar Tree, again using the heat and bond just to make all of the section that I need to have the actual ribbon with sticky, and then I will use my little mini iron to iron everything on and keep on going with the steps. Something I did realize while looking at this step is that I needed to create I guess it's called pleats on the side, which is like small little accordion style like folds, because when I put the mask on at the very end, it was very open on the sides, and I know that putting those little pleats on the side will help it to be more conform to my face, and then I had to unravel everything to make it all better. So if you're going to do this, just make sure you at this part make the pleats on the side that's going to be on your chin. I'm sorry, on your cheek, so that it can already be done without having to remove everything like I did to actually create the pleats on the side to make it more close to my face. So this is a piece of a stem wire I got from Joann on clearance. They come in really, really long pieces, but I just cut it in half, and this will be used to actually secure the fabric around my nose without it moving up and down. Okay, so here's the thing. I did not have any type of really skinny elastic to use, so I found my old belting I purchased from Joann on clearance, but it's really, really wide. So I was like, okay, let me just cut it in half. Totally bad idea, because now it's just unraveling, and I'm like, crap, this thing is unraveling, and I know it's going to keep on doing it because it shouldn't have been cut, but I did not have any other option at the moment. So when I make my second one, I'm going to make it better. But this is me trying my mask on. As you can see already, the sides, they're protruding outward from my face, and I realized, okay, I needed to connect these two pleats, and I'm good. So I went back and did that with a little needle and thread. Boom boom, I'm good. So thank you guys for watching.